Hey everybody, here we are for February. Joyce, Emily, Holly, and me. Family recipe calendar, month number 2. We're making turkey and artichoke stuffed shells. This thing really weighs towards Italian, and I like it. I'm not upset about it. Okay, so we've got a bunch of pots. I was smart this time. She was actually smart. I made all the stuff ahead of time for chopping and cleaning, so we're just cooking right now. So number 1, we need olive oil. We're gonna get olive oil?
Yes.
All right. Let's see. How much olive oil do we need? There's 2 different olive oils on our recipe. Let's go with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then we're gonna need some pancetta. You want to throw 2 tablespoons of olive oil in here?
Me?
Yep.
Is it gonna?
It's not, because it's not even hot yet. She's smart. She learned from last time when we almost set her on fire. Okay, so let's turn this up. Heat the olive oil. 2 of those right in here. Slow. Whoa, nice. All right, we got some pancetta.
More?
Yeah, 1 more of those. Heating olive oil. All right. Look, we spent hours dicing this pancetta. Hours dicing the pancetta. Here, why don't you dump this one in? Dump in some pancetta. I don't even know what it is. Oh, you spilled some. You can't just drop pancetta. It's a good thing she's off camera, man.
No, you gotta cook it first. Or you can try it.
What do I do?
Everybody try some pancetta. Here, dump it on in, kid. Now it's gonna sizzle, right? Explode.
No.
I'm just kidding. Go ahead.
He's kidding.
I'm kidding.
Okay.
Kind of kidding.
There we go.
Go ahead, drop it. Shake it.
You need a spoon.
I need a spoon. Oh, look at now it's all over. That's perfect. Yeah, here. Here, drop yours in. More pancetta. Give the rest to the puppies. It's okay. See, then we got to add 2 cloves of garlic. Cleaned and chopped ahead of time. Thanks, Joyce. All right. That's about right. And then we stir. All right, we're gonna saute that. And while we do that, we're gonna use our large pot. Ooh. We're gonna put some water in there.
Sure.
And let's start doing the shells.
All right.
Emily, do you wanna grab the shells? They're right over there. Hey, thanks. Jumbo. Speaking of, we should make gumbo.
Gumbo jumbo?
Jumbo gumbo.
Jumbo.
I love it. Yeah, there it is. Got that on high. We're going to let that come to a boil. We got to add 3 tablespoons of salt. Teaspoons of salt. We don't measure. We just... Look at this. This is a little kitty cat. Salt kitty cat. That's about right. Starting to hear some sizzle here from our pancetta and garlic. We're going to let that come to a boil. We're going to sizzle this, and then we'll be right back. All right, we got that pancetta cooking. We got some marinara that we're going to add. 4 cups of Wegmans Italian Grandma's Pomodoro. Do we have a cup here someplace? Perfect. Because I have to measure. Super Bowl Sunday. This is how you hold sauce on Super Bowl Sunday. I was holding it like a football. It's funny. Okay, using those muscles. Using those muscles. Here we go. Hey, Holly, can you give me red pepper flakes out of the pantry, please?
Yep.
1.
Pantry.
The pantry is the cabinet that all the food's in.
Red
2.
pepper,
3. Oh, and 4. Oh, that's splattered everywhere. Don't ever drop sauce in a pot from this high. It's a bad idea. Okay.
Red pepper flakes?
Yeah, how many red pepper flakes do we need? Let's see. Red pepper flakes, 2 teaspoons. that's a half teaspoon. So we need 4. Oh my God, that's a lot of pepper. Boom. These you can draw from a pie because they do not splatter as much. I think I put too much in.
They're not a liquid.
Is there such a thing?
It's gonna be spicy. Then we're gonna stir this up. Ah, I got it on me again. I'm a mess today. I need an apron. Can you give me an apron?
Yeah.
Okay. Bring to a simmer and let cool until ready to use. So I'm gonna let this simmer. We're gonna keep boiling that water and get ready to put our shells in. All right, the water's kind of boily, and here we go. Is that what you said? Kind of boily. Kind of boily. So we're gonna add the shells in. Now first, because it's Super Bowl Sunday, I don't know if you noticed, but shells look like footballs. Go long. Go long. She caught it. All right.
Touchdown.
We're not gonna do that with everyone. We're gonna put them in the normal way. Just pick a height and drop, or gently.
Gently.
Okay, there we go. Shells are in the water. We're gonna let that boil 5 minutes. Shells have been boiling for how long? The recipe says 5 minutes. She says 5-ish minutes. They were harder than she likes it, so she left it in a little longer. Disclaimer for the people who are watching, Joyce, Emily, I am not a professional chef.
But you look like one on TV.
I just play one on this
TV.
Very small world, right? I know you're shocked, right? I'm not a professional chef. So I don't really know what I'm doing, but we're gonna take these shells that are now squishier and we're gonna drain those. We're gonna take this pan and we're gonna put this guy on with the handle not sticking out. Safety first, right? Okay, now I need some olive oil. Ready all the stuff that's gonna go into our shells. You remember where to put that, right?
I'm okay. I can set it right here.
Perfect. Okay, so what do we have to add to this? We got olive oil in our pan. We are gonna add in. You're doing a great job draining those shells. Medium-high heat. We're gonna add in some yellow onion, 1 chopped yellow onion. Ooh, listen to that.
Sizzle.
Sizzle. All right, you want to add the garlic cloves in? This is 3 chopped minced garlic loaves. Garlic loaves. Can you say it? I can't say it. Okay. And I lost my place where my thumb was. Oh, we got to add some ground turkey.
Yes, let me get that out of the fridge.
Ground turkey. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Boy, that's really exact. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. That's about right. Okay. And 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Sure. I'll take it. Okay, who cares, right? What's the difference? It just makes it taste better. We can always add more later. Oh my God, she just stabbed that turkey. Only the finest ground turkey. I think that's what we needed. All right, this is, oh my God, that goes in there. If it's not dangerous, it's not cooking. Okay, ground turkey, stirring occasionally until that meat is cooked. So I'm gonna use this spoon, even though it's dirty a little bit. No, you don't want to waste spoons. Oh, we gotta take the paper off the turkey. So this is like, ooh, that's hot. Oh, that's hot. Oh my God. So here's a cooking tip. Take this off before you cook the turkey. Just saying. You gotta take the skin off. Here, why don't you take that? I'll let you. You got it? All right, good. And people say I'm not a professional cook. Now, while we're browning this turkey, you're probably making this food in a kitchen. That kitchen may be too small for you or maybe too big for you, but if you need a new kitchen, I know a real estate company that can help you. #call Rooftop. Or, boy, maybe you love cooking. Maybe you make the best artichoke and turkey stuffed shells on the planet and you want to open Artichoke and Stuffed Shells Planet and serve other people. We can help you with that too. We can help you find a restaurant space. Look, it's like our own little commercial.
That's right.
Someday this will be on TV. All right, browning the turkey, simmering the sauce. Our shells are ready. Look at that. That turkey is getting brown. Now we're gonna. It wouldn't be artichoke and turkey stuff if we didn't add some artichokes in. So we got some 8 ounces of coarsely chopped artichokes. Look, that's Joyce's hand doing that. That's nice. All right. I know everyone thought, how is he holding the camera, stirring the turkey, and scooping out artichokes? Because I have a helper. We have taken our artichoke and turkey stuff, got it in this little bowl to cool. It's not cold, but I didn't burn myself, so I'll take that. Okay, so now we're gonna add in some eggs.
Okay, two eggs?
Two eggs. Oh, no shells, just the. She's picking out the shells. Got it. All right. There were, you could have done this. So you just like that. Boom. Perfect. Okay, and then we got to put in a little bit of our ricotta. How much do we need here? Oh, let's see. Ricotta. It's funny that I know there's people who are listening to me say that who are saying he said it wrong. 15 ounces, which this is exactly a 15-ounce container. Now, the proper way to do it is to take this and just turn it this way and squeeze. Like that. That's the right way to do it. And then if you want, you don't really need a spoon. You just kind of, yeah, there you go.
There you go. You got
clean and empty. You can use it for drinking tomorrow. Perfect. There's our ricotta. Now we need some Parmesan. 3/4 of a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. What's this?
That's a half.
Well, we'll do this
and a
half.
quarter.
There, we're gonna just do it this way. All right, there's that. Another half of that. Oh, geez. Okay, so that's a lot more cheese than we needed. There you go. Perfect. Okay. Well, look, at least we know don't need that anymore. Okay, we need a little bit of basil. As much as the recipe said, I think it was a 1/4 cup. Chopped basil, fresh. Boom. Look at that. And then some parsley. I did not chop this. It came this way. Let's see how much. 2 tablespoons. So that's like that much. All right, perfect.
Looks good.
I don't like to measure. Okay, now we're gonna stir this up. We gotta.
Do it.
Here we go. Just gonna get all in there and stuff. And this is gonna be, which is amazing to me, the filling for our shells. It's absolutely crazy because this is the biggest chunks of turkey I've ever seen in my life. So I hope nobody chokes, because that would make for a bad Super Bowl Sunday.
True.
So you got to really mix this, get the egg in there. I don't know who put so much cheese in here. Cheese.
Jesus.
It's like the Parmesan is just overwhelming. It's almost like somebody doesn't measure things.
Never.
Oh yeah, look at this. Look at this.
It looks great.
Look at this. Boom, there's some stuffing for the shells. Ooh yeah. It's like chicken salad, but with turkey, cheese, and artichoke. Which is really none of the ingredients in chicken salad, so whatever. All right. So now, here's what we're going to do. Joyce so perfectly spread some of that sauce that we made earlier on the bottom of our casserole dish. So we're going to stuff some shells. And then we're going to come right back. So let's see how well this works. Now that the shells are stuffed, we are going to take our sauce that we made, kind of drizzle this all over these shells. Oven's preheated to 400 degrees. We're going to pop them in for about 20 minutes. And then we're going to see. I don't know if it's even possible for this to be as good as January's Italian chickpea soup, but we will definitely check this out. So 20 minutes, 400 degrees, and then let's see how they are.